Even if you're completely unaware of the concept of everyday carry, it's damn near certain that you participate in some way. After all, EDC is all about the gear you keep on your person every single day. And it includes things as seemingly innocuous and practically ubiquitous as wallets, knives, bags, pocket tools, and so much more. Whether you're a complete newbie to the concept or a seasoned veteran, we're going to discuss 14 best pocket EDC gear for 2021. This Mosquito Repellent watch uses a high-frequency, unobtrusive sound waves to create a sonic barrier that protects you and your dear family from pesky mosquitoes and other annoying insects. This product is a non-toxic outdoor mosquito repellent. Don't use messy, oily mosquito creams and sprays. The watch will keep mosquito away without harmful chemicals, smell, or fumes. It can be used when you're outdoor hunting, hiking, fishing, barbecuing, and doing sport. This watch will give you a comfortable summer. It should only be worn to keep mosquito away. It has a built-in aluminum polymer battery of 90 mAh capacity, charging for 15 minutes, standby 30 days, 24 hours of use. You'll save money and trouble. This leather sheath is made of full-grain genuine leather, which looks stable and durable. The pocket organizer has 4 pockets, which can hold wallet cards, mini flashlights, folding knives, tactical pens, a larger multi-tool, and other EDC gear. Multi-use for EDC organizer pouch is available in the packaging box. Passport, mini flashlight, tactical pen are only for product illustrations. High-quality EDC leather sheath, the feeling is smooth and soft. This stable and durable leather will not only endure but also get better with age. Remarkably elegant in its appearance, Craighill's Nocturn catch is so gorgeous that you might not want to sully it by placing your EDC loadout into it at the end of the day. But this all-hardwood valet tray, which also happens to be made in the USA, is just begging to be used for that exact purpose. Better still, if you don't like the maple version, it also comes in a darker walnut. The pen is mightier than the sword, so goes the old adage. The thing is, if you're talking about the Benchmade 1100 tactical pen, it might actually be true. You see, on top of this being a superb writing utensil just itching to be added to your everyday carry loadout, complete with a Fisher Space Pen pressurized ink cartridge, it also boasts a Kubotan-like striker tip for emergency and self-defense usage. Plus, it was made in the USA. For those that want something that's a little more refined than a disposable notebook, there's the Ezra Arthur Small Notebook. Inside, you'll find a simple arrangement of blank pages for all your scribbling, scrawling, and doodling needs, which can be refilled and even come with a line guide. But it's the outside of this notebook, crafted from high-end Horween leather in numerous colorways, that's the real star of the show. Let's be honest, multi-tools as we know them today likely wouldn't exist if it wasn't for the classic Swiss Army knife. And wouldn't you know it, SAKs are still some of the best around. We're particularly fond of the Victorinox Spartan PS Swiss Army knife, which benefits from 12 built-in functions, including a knife blade, corkscrew, can and bottle openers, and so much more. But what makes this one special is that the tools have a polyspectral coating, which makes their appearance change depending on the angle of the light glinting off of them. With such a ubiquitous category, it's really hard for any brand to stand out from the crowd. However, when it comes to wallets, Pioneer Carry has made some really impressive progressive strides, including developing a synthetic fabric that's 10 times stronger than steel by weight and inventing a technology called Future Form that allows your wallet to conform to usage over time. If you want to buy a wallet and then never have to worry about buying another one again, check out Pioneer Carry. Those in the know are already abundantly aware that the Reeve Sebenza has practically single-handedly set the pace for the rest of the everyday carry knife-making industry, and is with good reason. This is the very definition of a Grail-level piece of EDC marked by ultra-tough titanium handled scales, the Reeve integral lock, a legendary component in itself, and a widely versatile high-end drop point blade. Yes, this is a knife, but it's also a work of functional art that never ceases to impress. Patagonia is synonymous with the best outdoor clothing and accessories, including modern men's backpacks that are designed to be so long-lasting that you'll never have to replace them. Who wouldn't be a fan of that? What's so special about the Arbor Grande backpack in particular? Firstly, this backpack emerges as an easy victor when it comes to waterproof rucksacks. The 100% recycled polyester has a water-repellent DWR finish that will keep all your belongings safe and dry whatever the weather. Beyond that, you've got comfortable ergonomic padded shoulder straps, there's a drawstring top with an additional buckle fastening, and inside a laptop sleeve where you can also put a hydration reservoir for hitting the trails. Aesthetically, it's elegant and old school in all the right ways. Sure, you think you're just going to the office, but what happens if something comes up and suddenly you're on the highway, heading west to go camping? It could happen. Patagonia's Arbor Grande will make sure you're prepared. Aaron Draplin, the mastermind behind Field Notes, is one of the greatest designers of all time, and his exceptional skill is on full display across the entirety of this pocket notebook brand. And while Field Notes offers a bevy of traditional USA-made notebooks, the real value proposition therein comes in the form of the rarer special edition releases like the Snowy Evening Winter Notebooks, of which every single unit, even those packaged together, has a completely unique cover. This distressed-looking leather is easily scratched and marked, however, these are not permanent. Over time, the marks will disappear with use. Can also remove marks by gently rubbing the marks back into the leather with the finger. Not suitable for hardcover notebooks. Pick up the Sog Aegis AT and you'll have no doubt the brand engineered this knife for rough outdoor use. This beauty is burly and clearly ready for action. Even though it feels very robust at 5.15 ounces in your hand, it sits nicely in the pocket and isn't too overwhelming for EDC use. With a 3.13-inch Cryo D2 steel blade, it's small enough to be legal in most cities. The versatile drop point blade shape will do any job, from opening boxes and letters to gutting a deer. For the outdoors person who needs a big, capable knife that can transition into the workday, this is a good option. The Fisher Space Pen Bullet is so influential and revolutionary that it's actually a part of the NYC Museum of Modern Art's permanent collection. And while that accolade is certainly special, you might be more interested in the fact that this ultra-compact writing utensil can function upside down, underwater, and even in zero gravity, using the same tech as the pens NASA sends into space. The secret behind the unique capabilities of this pen lies in the ink cartridge itself. Its refills are hermetically sealed, pressurized with nitrogen gas, and feature a tungsten carbide ballpoint tip, the same extra hard metal that is used to make armor-piercing ammunition. One good place to start is with a comfortable and high-performance everyday backpack that can carry all your essentials without putting stress on your back. The best backpacks, like the Heimplanet Original, are unfussy and straightforward. They do everything that you require from a rucksack and do so in a no-nonsense way that's perfect for minimalists. The rucksack is equipped with a 15-inch laptop compartment and other inside pockets. The design is kept simple on purpose to ensure seamless integration into your personal style. The Heimplanet Original has a simple and clean aesthetic. The internal compartment can fit laptops up to 15 inches. There are also 2 rows of mole webbing, so you can put in additional pouches for further organization. Whether you just need to transport your laptop and lunchbox around the city, or want something durable and hard-wearing for outdoor adventurers at the weekends, this is the backpack for you. No matter how demanding your day is, this backpack, one of the best daily backpacks on the market, will take a load off your shoulders. The Buck 110 is one of the most classic knives of all time. The brand caused quite a stir last year when it updated the classic 110 with more modern lines and materials in the form of the 110 Folding Hunter Slim Pro. And while the classic is still an amazing knife, much slimmer, yet fully capable, modernized version. The Folding Hunter Slim Pro upgrades the classic clip point with a slightly less pronounced curve on the spine, resulting in a more usable shape. The G10 handle is light but strong in the hand, and the S30V blade holds an edge for a very long time, yet is possible to resharp by most home sharpening systems. It's worth noting that some other knife aficionados really dislike this knife, so it may not be your cup of tea.